Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class I have given second composition. I hope all you have done and studied that. In this class, we are going to learn in lesson 2 in grammar book. The topic of the lesson is articles. Even second and third standard itself, you are studied about articles. Okay. So now also we are going to learn deeply. All of you take page number 8 in your grammar book. Okay. Let's go. Dear students, take page number 8. Articles. Already we have learned about articles. Which are the words are articles? Yes, A and D. It is called the articles. And these are also known as the determiners. It determines the limit of the noun. Here the article we can uh, divide it to two topics. It is known as the indefinite and a definite articles. So which are known as the indefinite? A and. Which is known as a definite article? The. First you should clear about this. Okay. So before we are going to learn articles, first we should clear about English letters. You remember how many letters in English? Yes. How many letters? There are 26 letters. In the 26 letter, we can divide into two types. It is known as vowels and consonants. Which are the letters are known as vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Balance 21 letters are known as consonants. So what we should always confuse, English has total 26 letters only, but it can produce 44 sounds. That is only will confuse us to learn English. Here the articles we can easily understood where we used a and the, but the sounds will confuse you. So clear it. A is used as a word beginning with the consonant sounds, and an is used to before the beginning with the vowel sound. This you should get first you clearly mention. Again I say a is used before a beginning with the consonant sounds and an of course the vowel sounds. See the examples. A bird, a bee, a giant, a horse, a unicorn, a European, a useful animal, a one-eyed giant. These words see you can say it is you always remember don't see the letters. So if you see a e i o u before an or it is wrong because see this example unicorn it begin with the letter u. Don't write and before unicorn because it is a consonant sound. But if in the case of umbrella it give a sound, so we can use an umbrella. Clear students? The same thing and they are given the opposite side. An owl, an ma, an hawk, an apple, an Indian, an elephant, an honest man, and easy questions. See in this here also ma, it is abbreviation. Generally we are used abbreviations before an, but here the ba we are used yeah. So these like sentence only should confuse you. Points to remember a and is used before the singular noun which is a countable. The countable noun only we can use it before a and a and as not used before the uncountable nouns in the case of before things we cannot count. So countable things only we can use to singular nouns. Uncountable we can't. Okay. So clear a and the only you should understood don't see the letters, see the sounds. Okay. So in the page number 9 they given test yourself exercise. I'll give the answer later. First you try your own self. After that you check whether you write the correct answer or not and complete the book back exercise. Now take page number 10. Dear students, take page number 10. The 9 is a book back exercise. Try your own answers. Okay. And page number 10 also, third Roman will be there. Read. After that you can do. And next they are given. We use a than when it is a clear which the things or person we mean as. So where we use it there. The floor, the ceiling, the door, the light of a room, the roof, the garden, the kitchen, the bathroom of a house, the supermarket, the station, the airport, the mayor. See, the examples they are given. Mum is in the kitchen in the house. Turn off the light and close the door. The light and the door of the room. Do you live far from the station? The railway station of your town. I'd like to speak to the manager, please. The manager of this place. These words you should remember it clear which the things or person we mean as same thing. So these like words we used before there. Okay. There is used these type of sentence. First one, there are given some rules for that. How we used get the idea of yeah and air and before the vowels and consonant, how to classify the same. There is a different part. To speak to the particular person or a thing is, let us go to the lotus garden. Here the than is before lotus garden. This is a book of he wants. Here the book. She is the girl who won the prize, the girl. Okay. So particular person if you are going to mention, we use before the article the. Clear? Now turn page number 11. Page number 11. We don't use the when we are talking about something in general. So particular things only we are used there. The last point we have seen. Butter is not good for you. It is a general. The butter is in the fridge. Here the particular. Differentiate it. Second point. With a singular noun to represent the whole class. The rose smells sweet. It represents the whole. So here we can use the. The cow is a useful animal. It mentions all the cows. The cat and the lion are of the same family. So here it mentioned represent the whole class. The students like. Okay. The rose, the cow, the cat, the lion and the same family. And but when you use a man or woman for the whole class, we never use a and the with it. Man is mortal, woman is man's mate. So these like word we never used the because that is known as a no article. Okay. With the superlatives, honesty is the best policy. Sanya is the best player of our team. So these like words for use of superlatives, we don't use the. Before an adjective, before an adjective when the noun is understood as the rich should help the poor. Okay. And fifth one, with the name of the sacred books like the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the holy books before we use the. With the name of the natural objects or unique as the sun or only one thing like the sun, the sky, the ocean, like the earth. These like words we should use before the it like simply we can say the natural objects before we use the. And seventh point, with the name of the rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, groups of islands and mountain ranges like for example the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Persian Gulf, the Andamans, the Himalayas, the Alps. Okay. There are some general rules given. It has more points will be for the your book they are given this point. It is enough for your class. Okay. So that's all my dear students. In this class we should get a clear idea about where we used a and the. I hope all you are understood. Page number 11 and 12 or the test yourself book back exercise. Already I told for page number 9 the same thing. First you try to write your own answer. After that you check the answer I given whether you write the correct answer or not. Okay. So then only you can improve your grammatical skill. If you just copy you not understood anything. Whether it is right or wrong, no problem. First try to write your own answer is important. Okay. So complete the book back exercise and revise the articles again and again. Then only you can understood. So again if I repeat, a and it is known as an indefinite article. The is known as a definite article. If you get an idea about vowel sound and consonant sounds, there is no confusion for a and used. The has a general rules like before the holy books, before the superlatives, before the singular noun to represent the whole class, before the natural objects, before the names of rivers, oceans, there are etc. etc. Okay, revise, you can get the idea about that. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. We can see in the next class.